This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin HRM 200. First, attach the module to the strap, making sure the Garmin logos are both facing upwards. Next, wet the two electrode areas on the back of the strap. Finally, place the monitor firmly on your chest, just below your breastbone, for optimal heart rate detection. To pair your HRM 200, first press the button on the module to activate it. The LED will flash. Then, press and hold the button for 4 seconds until the LED flashes continuously, indicating pairing mode. Finally, on your compatible Garmin device or smartphone, navigate to the sensor settings and select the HRM 200 from the list of available devices to complete the connection. During your activity, the HRM 200 continuously transmits your heart rate data to your paired device using both ANT+ and Bluetooth Smart. This provides accurate, real-time heart rate and heart rate variability information, helping you monitor your training intensity. Its 3 ATM water rating means it can withstand even your sweatiest workouts without issue, ensuring reliable performance. Proper care extends your HRM 200's lifespan. After each use, rinse the strap thoroughly with clean water to remove sweat and salt buildup. Remember to remove the module before washing the strap and always air dry it completely. The device uses a CR2032 battery, which typically lasts up to 1 year. Replace it when your connected device indicates a low battery warning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.